In front of me is LENOVO Tab K11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, you need to find the recorder app that's already on your Lenovo and click on it. Then use this blue button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. And to end it and save it, on the right one. Now to access it, tap at the top right corner. And then tap on it to play it. If you wish to manage it, hold it instead. And use all of those options. You can share it thanks to right button, rename it thanks to the middle one, or get rid of it by tapping on the left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!